Me.
No, let's have Karina go first.
Okay, you can go next. Can go next.
What is that?
Here's something. Come on, sit on.
Oh my goodness. Why is it making noises?
Karina, what do you think it is?
I think Karina has a unicorn.
You think so?
Oh, see something. It is a unicorn.
Oh, that's a unicorn? Is it? What is that, Karina? Oh, it is a unicorn.
Do you like it?
I am fantasy.
What do you want to name it? You always wanted this? Unicorn.
I need a baby. Okay, it's my
Baby
turn.
pie? Baby pie?
It's my
Now
turn.
there's it's your turn. You have this big gift. What do you think it is, Titan?
It's so blue.
Blue. What is that?
What is that? Oh my god.
What is that? I think it's the wrong way. Turn it around. What? Oh.
Wow! You can just walk it around. You can just walk it
It's a
around.
zoo. Look what Titan got. Look at this.
I know, I don't like it. It's not tidy. But it's so cute.
Look at the zoo. Wow. What is Titan? Do you see this? Look at this. Whoa, that's so big. It's almost as tall as you, Titan. It is.
Titan. Titan.
Look at it. Pie, right?
Titan. You like it?
I'll go next. Yeah, you can go.
Okay.
I go.
Hold on, Brandon. I think I want you to open the other one instead.
Baby cutie pie.
And we'll save this one for tomorrow.
Okay.
Let's see. Which one is the other one? I think it's this one. Okay. Here. Here, open this one. No, let's do Audrina.
Audrina first? Okay.
Yeah.
I go last.
Audrina has two.
I'm gonna open this one.
Why are you so quiet now?
Then this one's open. Mommy.
I think it's that. It's nails. Nails? Yeah. This is the big piece.
You can do your nails.
Drew, you can do your nails. I know. Okay.
Wait, is that for Sophia?
That's for your nails.
Is that for
That's for Audrina. Okay, there's this one too.
You can open the other side. It's not tape.
I love this.
I didn't want to wrap that up, so.
I don't want to. I have
A
this.
backpack. Is that a mini backpack? Yeah, it's basically a mini backpack.
Yeah.
I like this one.
Thank you, Mommy.
You like it?
Yeah. That's Gucci. That's not Gucci.
Lucy didn't like
Thank
it.
you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
My turn?
Yep.
Okay. I'll open it.
But why are you not saying thank you to Mommy?
Alright.
You guys are so spoiled.
You can put holy.
It's LEDs. Bro.
It's a big eyeball.
There's so much. It is water. Oh, not waterproof. But how long is this one? Oh, this is like the perfect one that I wanted. The other one's like just around stuff. This is also the one that you can put anywhere. And what is this one? What is it? I think it's the Aki lamp. Is it actually? It's the lamp. It's like the touchable lamp. Yeah. It's the touchable one. This is like the only one that I wanted. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Woo!
Oh, that's so bright.
Right. Holy.
So hot. Everybody, that was so smaller than mine. I have the biggest and
That's the big pumpkin. Oh.
the.
Cool. That's actually cool.
So you think his present is the biggest one and the coolest one?
What?
He think his present's the biggest one and the coolest one.
I don't want the big one. I can't even feel it.
You like yours? You like yours?
Baby.
Do you like yours?
Yeah. My name is Baby Cutie Pie.
Baby what?
Baby Cutie Pie.
Baby cutie pie?
Yeah.
Oh my lord. Well, I hope you guys like it.
I do. Me too.
You guys are so spoiled.
How do I take this off? I can't take it off.
125 nails. Whoa.
Mommy, I want to open this now.
Not yet, tomorrow.
I don't want to open this.
And then you guys still have more at Pasha's house tomorrow.
Okay.
Put the trash in the black bag
Where is it?
over there.
Touch